welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Resin Pooja Plate. I already made so many resin art frames and keychains. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed, guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. I already shown in the many videos how I mix my resin. First I'm taking a resin. I'm using a 3:1 resin. Then I'm taking a horner. Then I'm using a popsicle stick to mix it. Mix it well for 5 minutes. Mixing it will create some bubbles. After mixing it, keep it aside for 5 minutes. It will clear some bubbles. Our resin is ready. Let's start our work. First I'm taking a little amount of resin and I'm taking a opaque blue pigment. Now I'm going to mix it using a popsicle stick. Mix it well. Again I'm taking a small amount of resin. Now I'm going to mix a pearl powder pigment in it. The materials that I used in this video, I already mentioned it in my resin haul. I will leave the resin haul video link in description. So now I'm going to mix these two colors. For that, first I'm taking a paper cup. Then I'm going to pour little amount of blue and white pigment mixed resin in it and mix it well using a popsicle stick. I'm mixing these two colors to get a shiny look. You can adjust the color using the pigments. Now you can see the difference between both colors. Now I'm taking a mold and I'm going to clean it with the cello tape. Make sure that you have cleaned it properly. You can see the dust in the tape. I purchased these two kumkumam box from a local store. Now I'm going to pour the resin. For that, first I'm taking a blue mixed resin and I'm going to pour it in a half of the mold. Next I'm taking a clear resin and I'm going to pour it in another half. After that, I'm going to add the gold flakes in it. Add the gold flakes only in the clear resin pot. Let's pop out the bubbles. For that, I'm using a lighter. You can also use matchstick or a bubble buster spray for that. Now I'm going to add the kumkumam box. I don't know its exact name. In our region, we say that kumkumam chimal. I will leave its link in description. Let's dry it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to add the sticker. I'm going to add that Vinayagar sticker. Let's stick the sticker. Let's pour the second layer. For that, I'm using a clear resin. Now spread out the resin using a popsicle stick. Now I'm going to show you how to pop the bubbles using a bubble buster spray. Just spray them on the top of the bubbles. It will automatically pops out. You can also use the matchbox for popping the bubbles. Let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, let's demold it. After demolding, I am taking a metallic pen Now I'm going to use the metallic pen on the border. Let's draw the lines on the edges. Tada! Our puja thali is ready. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this to my Instagram. If you guys want to place an order, I will leave the order details in description. Thanks for watching.